Yo, what is up? What's your boy Sammy? You already know. We back. Tuesday morning. And market just opened. So yeah, we're here. Came all the way down here already. We haven't even marked out anything. But it's early, so let's mark out everything real quick. But yeah, Tuesday morning. Yesterday we didn't get to trade because it was Labor Day. So it's all good. But we're trying to make some money today, boys. Please. Today we have to find a trade, right? There's no way we go like 20 days in a row without finding a trade. That would be insane. But let's go based off. Wait, was market closed yesterday? Yes, right? Or am I... Yeah, it was closed yesterday for sure. It was. There was no movement either way, so. Alright, so we have the... Ay, come on. Bro, get... What's this? Alright, cool. Get rid of that. So we'll go with this high right here. This is most the Asian session high. Put this red. Asian session low. Down here. And then we have the London session high. Oh wait. No, these are the London sessions. Bro. Okay. And then we have the Asian sessions over here. We'll go with this. Red. And then we'll go with this over here. Right here. Alright, we got it. We got them. We go down to the 1 hour. We go up to the 1 hour. Look for any fair value gaps. We see... see this one right here. Has it gotten reacted off of? Well, it hasn't touched it or anything. We have that bearish fair value gap on the 1 hour. We have this 1 hour high. Put this black. We have 1 hour low, 1 hour high, another high up here. We'll leave it at that. And then we'll scale down to the 4 hour. I'm up to the 4 hour. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I see. Scale down to the 1 hour again. So we have 1 hour high, 1 hour low. Oh shit, hold up. Have another high right here. Another high right there. Oh, we don't care about this high. But I care about this high, this low. And then we said we had a fair value gap, right? Right here, fair value gap. Hasn't been reacted off of. But most likely, we can probably retest it all the way up here. But we'll get rid of that right now. We'll focus on this. Market is looking very bearish. But who knows? We might reverse back to the upside. This does look like a liquidity sweep right here. Taking out all these lows. Took out this low. Took out this low right here. Took out this low as well. You see? Took out that low. Took out this low. Took out this low. We might actually reverse here. Let's go down to the 5 minute. And wait for price to take action. Boys, come on. We ready. We ready. Alright, cool. And I'm faded up too. Wow, I just got the little taper. You already know. A little tape. We're trying to get that Richard Rios cut. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Mullet incoming or what? Boys and girls. Mullet incoming or what? I'm just kidding. We'll see what's up. Alright, so market already open. Like I said, 9:37 already. We're waiting for this candlestick to close. And then we'll go from there. I know maybe I can probably be. I could. Or. Can't even fucking speak. So it looks like market is about to open up on key level. On the key level. Honestly, this might be a low right here. No, this is a low right here. Yeah. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I can probably try to trade off the 1 minute time frame, but I don't want to, because last month I was trading based off the 5 minute based off the 5 minute time frames, and I was doing good. Honestly, it was profitable. It was profitable actually when I traded all of August, all of July as well when I first started, and I was trading off the 5 minute time frame. So I'm probably just gonna leave it as that and not switch up anything. But I've been learning off all my losses and wins, risk reward ratio, when not to like go with like pre-market data. Try not to go based off pre-market data as much. That's when I would lose most of the time, or I would take profits too early, like such as for example last week when I took these two trades. Oh shit, I was like, what the fuck? When I took these two trades, we could have made a little bit more money. Way more money actually. But yeah, that's it. That's that. We're about to close here, so we're gonna have the low all the way down here. We already opened up on key level, the London session low. We have this 1 hour low, 1 hour high, Asian session low, London session high, and Asian session high. And then these are probably from the days before, right? Yeah. Yeah, these are from the days before. So we'll put these to a different color. The light color. I like having these as like potential extra take profits, Potential extra take profits. Because you never know, right? You never know. But we're working off the data we got here. Like I said, we might reverse since we swept out all these lows. So we are looking bullish in my opinion, which is why I really want to trade on the 1 minute time frame, because 5 minute is too slow for me. And we might not get those down candles out of it. Like a bearish candle to get new highs and then see a break of structure happening, Because last week we had like all these blue candlestick, blue candlestick, blue candlestick, blue candle. Like that's all I saw, and I don't want that to happen again. I want to be able to take a trade, But I don't know. I kind of want to stick to the 5 minute time frame. I don't want to switch it up. But we are looking bullish, like I said. High drawn liquidity right here. High drawn liquidity. Swept out all these lows, swept out. Damn. Plus it's 9:40. We could give this 10 more minutes, see what's up. We can get two candlesticks out of this, and then we'll scale down to 1 minute if we don't see anything right now, and then we'll see what's up. But as of right now, we're just gonna be monitoring, and then I'll be monitoring on the 1 minute time frame, see if we see anything, and then we'll see what's up. It's already 9:50, so we could potentially look for trades. It is looking very bullish, like I said. I'm so keen on taking this trade right here to the upside. Although the only thing is, I don't have no how do you call it? Like a stop loss. But I really want to take this trade though. Bro.
Order filled.
I took it. Fuck it. It's so bullish, bro. There's no way I'm missing out on money here. There's no way. It's so bullish. And it's so slow down over here. Like, look, I literally caught it. Liquidity sweep right here. I'm only going based off the liquidity sweep. And on the 1 minute, I scaled down. I was doing a little bit of work. I saw break of structures going on. I saw, like here, we saw a break of structure happen. We saw this get filled, broke out of it, broke structure again, and boom. We're in at the price of 23,236. 23,236. Let me see. Long. 23,236, right? 0.75. 0.75. Basically there. So first take profit, I'm literally gonna take it real quick here at 267.25 for a, yeah, I'm taking it there. I don't care, chat. How much am I willing to lose? I have no idea. That's the only issue here. I literally took this trade based off just a liquidity sweep. Let me take this 267.25. Limit sell to 267, right? 0.25. There you go. Okay, we're there already. 267.25. That's our first take profit. So we're looking at a profit of like 120 maybe. 30 times 2 is 60. Times 2 is 120. Yeah, 120 there. I have no stop loss, bro. That's the only issue right now that I have. But I mean, it's super bullish, bro. I just don't see why it doesn't go up here. At least hitting this 1 hour low, which is going to be my first take profit, this 1 hour low right here. Then we'll target the second all the way up here. We'll target that. And then we'll target all the way up here. Probably here. Yeah. We'll see. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I might end up losing this trade, you know. I took it based, I mean, I honestly, like I said, I took it because of the liquidity sweep. And this had happened to me last week. I saw liquidity sweep going on, saw that it was going to be bullish. But I just saw blue candles, like I said earlier, blue candle after blue candle after blue candle. And I thought I missed out on money. And I was like, bro, come on, bro. I literally saw it. I literally called it. But I just saw blue candle after blue candle. So I'm like, nah, maybe I could see something on the 1 minute. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I should have entered the trade down here. But I was waiting for it to hit 950. So that's why I waited a little bit, you know. We're so close to hitting it, though. The 267.25. We're so close. Where did I enter trade again? 236, right? 236. Basically right there, yeah. But yeah, I'm taking profit right there. I know risk reward might not be as good, but I'm fine taking profit there if I'm being honest. 31 times 2 times 2, that's like 60. That's like 60. I mean, that's like 100. That's already over $100, which is, and then we get to break even right away. So, which is fire. But we just have to hit that one first. Once we hit that one, we can probably target. Can we target that? Maybe. We can target here, honestly, for another take 2. Then we'll target here, last one. That could be these could be the place right here. Or we can honestly maybe even target earlier, maybe. Maybe here. I need this one to hit though, for sure. At least hit. We can probably target here, this high right here. Or, bro, why is my mouse so slow? Or this high right here. Nah, not that high. Those two highs are fine. But yeah, we had seen this one and then this one. I'll most likely target over here. Fuck this one. I'll target that. Oh, this high right here. Just make sure it's the right high. Right there's fine. Right there's totally fine, boys. But yeah, if we scale down to the 5 minute, we're here. Yeah, we're here. Don't really see much going on, so that's why I scaled down to the 1 minute. But like I said, I was trading off the 5 minute, but I just saw this liquidity sweep going on, and I thought it was really bullish. So that's my only how do you say it? That was my only like bias, or not bias. I don't even know how to say, like, that was the only reason why I took this trade, because the liquidity sweep. I saw, and I already said this a bunch of times, but I scaled down to 1 minute and I did the work here. So I was like, fuck it. Hopefully we hit this right here real quick. We're so close, but we didn't. And now we're going down a bit, but we hit here. We hit this, and we're done basically. Not done, but we're basically free rolling, because we can move our stop loss to break even, and then we don't lose money at all, and we make money for the day. So we hit this target over here, and then we'll take the last contract over here. Fuck it. Or we can honestly target all the way up here, but I'm fine here. So let me see how much I'm willing to make. I want to see how much I'm willing to make, so I can see where I can like get stopped out at. So I get 120 here, and then I'm gonna get like, and then I'm gonna get like here, and then I'm gonna get up here, and that's the plan. 604, 600, boys. That's the profit goal. 600 for the day. That would be nice. That would be really nice. So probably get stopped out down here. No, we'll lose our account, bro. You guys, damn, bro. What the fuck? Fuck. We might be cooked here, Chad. If we end up, we might be cooked here. Oh my god, I didn't take this into consideration actually. Wow. Okay. We finally, maybe it wasn't the best idea to take this trade, but fuck it, we're in already, right? Hey, I'm not gambling. Stop saying I'm gambling in the fucking chat. I'm not gambling. This is good fucking trade analysis. Look, y'all seeing this right here. Swept out all these lows. Stop playing with me. Oh, it's I'm on the 1 minute. Fuck. Like, why can't I see this shit? Look, y'all see this? Swept out all these lows. Swept out this low. Swept out this low. Even swept out. No. Even swept out this low. Oh my god, we're so close. We're so close.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. I ain't gambling in this shit. I told y'all I'm like that. Okay. Can't get too emotional. Let's just go back to the 3. Stop sell 3. Right? Because we have 3 contracts left. At break even, 236.75. 236.75. That's good. Okay. So now our next take profit will be at, I said it was going to be, get rid of this. We already hit that. Bro, scale down to a 1 minute, bro. Come on now. Get rid of that. Next take profit is 23.311. 23.311. Market sell to.
Order filled.
Ah, fuck! I clicked the wrong button. Oh, that's so annoying. Fuck! Y'all saw that? I clicked market sell too. That's so insane. Ah, fuck. Can we look for another trade here? Bro, that's so gay. Yeah. Fuck it, we'll still target that. That was so stupid of me. You see, I'm not focused, way. Ah! 23, 3, 11. 23, 3, 11. 23, 3, 11. Bro, I'm so fucking dumb, bro. Shit. Stop sell 1 at break even, right? Yeah, right there. Bro.
Order filled.
So dumb. Alright. I mean, at least we made more money from getting stopped out. Ooh. Am I gambling? Nah, I wasn't gambling there. There's no way I'm gambling there. There's no way. Bro, I saw that it was going to go up. I swear. I knew it was going to go up. So we scaled down to the 5 minute. We actually made a new high right here. I'm actually on the 5 minute now. Get rid of this. Let's go back to the... I'm not done here, chat. I'm not done. I don't give a fuck. I'm not done. I know I should be like, yeah, you already made money, but no. We're not done here. Hold up. It's too early, bro. We already made money. I'm so fucking greedy, boys. But nah, who cares? Okay. At least we hit this, the 267, which was nice. That was nice as fuck. We actually ended up making more money. Another hundo. Made another hundo. I knew it was gonna go up. But now I'm gonna stick to the 5 minute. I was honestly supposed to take trade all the way like fucking down here, bro. Let me see. Right here when I was doing analysis right here. As soon as it turned... Oh, but I was like, let me wait till it turns 950. 236. I entered at 236. Yeah, I entered late, bro. I should have entered over here. Oh, I would have made way more money. Yeah. It's all good though. I guess the 1 minute. I guess the 1 minute time frames work. I'm not sure, but I did see it was gonna be super bullish. Probably could have made more money. Could have entered at 200. Target 267. Maybe get another high. 60 on 120 and then 30 times 2 times 2, 120, 240. Nah, we probably would have. Nah, actually no. We probably would have made more. I don't know. But I'm just monitoring the 5 minutes. I'm monitoring the 5 minutes right now. So I want to see if I can find the trade on the 5 minute time frames the way I usually always trade. Because I still feel like we're gonna go up. Like, if I'm being honest. I'm just waiting to see this Alright, let's get rid of this 1 hour low actually. I'm waiting to see if this high gets broken. As in, like, we get a break of structure right here. And then if we manage to hit our confluences, which is like a fair value gap getting filled or order block / breaker block getting filled, we could potentially take a trade targeting like the key levels from today, which are these up here. But that's my only hope. And I mean, like, that would be my only play here on the 5 minute time frame for me to take a trade to the upside. Because if I'm being honest, I'm not gonna trade on the 1 minute. Yeah, I already did that. I wasn't even supposed to do that, but I switched it up a bit because of the liquidity sweep, which I've been saying the whole fucking video. Liquidity sweep, super fucking obvious, super obvious. But at least we got to make some money out of this. Let's go, baby. That was nice. I caught that too. That was good. 222, I'll take that all day, baby. That's nice right there. But the only thing is, I didn't have no stop loss, so that was my only issue. I was like, fuck, bro, what if we end up going all the way down? Like, when do I start getting stopped out? I most likely would have gotten stopped out like at when I was probably negative 600, negative 700, because that's how much I was willing to make. So, like I said, risk reward ratio is important. So, yeah. So right now I'm just gonna be monitoring. I've just been yapping the whole time, but because I was taking action, taking that trade. But we'll see what goes on right now in the next 10 15 minutes and see if we see anything on the 5 minute. I'm seeing something that I kind of want to take this trade again. You guys can't even see me, but look. So if we see here, I mean, not going based off pre-market data much, but this is the high, this is the most recent high actually. But going based off this high, no, never mind. Yeah, this is the most recent high. Bro. Yeah, I was about to say, because we did break structure here on this high, and then we did see some fair value gaps here. But yeah, I did tell myself I wasn't going to go based off pre-market data. But then as soon as we made a new high, this is the most recent high. So this fair value gap doesn't really matter no more. But this fair value gap did get filled because we pushed up, we retraced, filled this fair value gap. Looks like it's breaking out of it. But first, this has to break structure in order for us to look for that fair value gap. But honestly, I wouldn't mind taking the trade here if this did break structure, because it's basically hitting all the confluences, and then maybe we do find a position up here. But I feel like we'll take a heavy L though. Yeah, we'll take a heavy L. We end up retracing back all the way down there. I don't know. I kind of want to wait. I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. I want to see if this does break structure, and then we'll see from there what goes on. But I don't want to go based off this fair value gap, because this fair value gap means nothing without it. I mean, without the rest. I need a break of structure or an inverse fair value gap, but I haven't seen none of that. And then our most recent highs all the way up here, so I would have to wait for this to break structure first, and then we have to look for a fair value gap or order block / breaker block, which in this case will probably be this right here, this one. Throw that, break out, and then we can take that trade. Yeah, because then if I take that trade up here, we'll get topped out down here, then we take a big ass L. But that, I'll just wait it. I'll wait it out. All right, this is huge, chat. This is huge. Right at 10:30, we broke structure to the upside right here. We broke structure right here on this candlestick, as you guys can see. So now we have this order block going on. If we manage to fill this order block with this down candlestick and we break out of this, we're taking that trade to the upside, boys. I don't give a fuck. I'm trying to make as much money as I can in one day, every single day. I'm not being greedy. I'm just waiting for that right opportunity and trying to take advantage of that. Opportunity, Can't let this money go. You gotta take advantage of all the money I can make in one day. All money, all that money. Money on money, money on money, money on money on money on money. Boom. This is huge though. So I'm gonna give this 10 more minutes. Hopefully in these next 3 minutes and a half, we end up filling it with like this. And then after that, the next 5 minutes, we end up breaking out. Hopefully we break out with the bullish candle, and then we would scale down to the 1 minute, look for that break of structure or inverse fair value gap, and then we take that trade. Hopefully we can target, we can probably target here real quick. 20. Yeah, we can target here, because this was the, wait, what was this? Wasn't this the 1 hour high? Hold up. That was not the 1 hour high. That's just a regular ass 5 minute high. But yeah, we can probably target that just to take profit real quick. Obviously, we got to manage the risk reward ratio as well. Let's say we end up taking, yeah, we can probably target that. And then here. And then here. Yeah, that would be huge. But we have to fill this in first and then break out, and then we can take that trade. So I'll keep you guys updated after like 8-9 minutes, and then we'll go from there. So it's already 10:40. I thought we were gonna break out here once we broke structure, filled it. Thought we were gonna break out, but looks like Most likely it's gonna disrespect this breaker block, but it's all good though. It's already late either way. 10:42, and I don't really want to get greedy either. So we already made money today. We took that $220 dub. I'm not gonna lie, I probably got lucky today, but I did know for a fact that we did see a high drawn liquidity right here. Bro, why is my shit slow? Yeah, like we took out this low, we took out this low, we took out this low, this low, this low, this low. We took out all those lows. So for sure we were gonna reverse to the upside here. But I had a similar situation last week where I just saw blue candlestick after blue candlestick after blue candlestick on the 5 minutes. So I was like, nah, let's just try what we see on the 1 minute. Maybe we could find a trade there. And we did. But the only thing is we didn't have a stop loss set, which was the only risk concern that I had. Which is it's risky, don't get me wrong. So I kind of say that I was kind of gambling, but kind of not, because I kind of knew where market really wanted to go here based off the liquidity sweep. And when I scaled down on the 1 minute, I did see a break of structure going on. I did see a order block get filled, and then another break of structure go on the 1 minute, which caused me to take that trade, you know. But obviously for future purposes, I would like to have like a stop loss set just in case I do end up, my trade idea ends up getting invalidated, you know. But overall, I'm happy. You know, I took a dub today. Got lucky, maybe didn't get lucky, but hey, we'll take it, you know. But anyways, that was day 16 of me trying to become profitable day trader. That was Tuesday morning session. $200 dub. That was good. We're just getting there. We're getting there, chat. We're getting there. But yeah, if you guys feel free to leave anything in the comments, if I'm missing anything or if I need to work on something, I'm open, you know. I'm open to hear anything. I'm open to learn more. I mean, I'm not perfect, you know. I'm still learning day by day, trade by trade. So, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys stayed all the way to the end. And peace.